So I would like to make my mission to liberate persons' passport that have been stuck in the system for a very long time. I would also like to make it my mission to help persons who don't have birth certificate, passport, or even any kind of ID, to help them get these very basic essential documents. And I mean persons in Jamaica, not persons overseas. It is my job to help persons overseas, but persons in Jamaica, even though we are close to the passport office, for some reason many people don't have no documents. Them not have them birth certificate, them probably never registered, them not have no passport, them not have no other valid kind of ID. I just feel like you can't have a normal life if you don't have your paperwork. You can't open a bank account. Somebody want to transfer some money to you, them can't transfer it. You have to go Western Union, go pick up money, and you go pick up money, you have to have ID. Like, these are basic stuff. All the persons who are waiting for a chance to go to foreign who don't have any passport, how is that going to happen? So anyway, today we're on a mission to help someone liberate their passport from the passport office that's been there for 8 years. So every mickle make a muckle, and one cocoa and all that. So we're going to work on that passport today and see if we can get this mission started. I'm in Jamaica right now, and I'll do as much as I can. While I'm here, I'll be liberating one passport and applying for two persons who don't have any, and that include applying for my renewal, which I've already done and I got it. But I would love to be able to help other persons in Jamaica with these documents, and I'll talk more about why many of us don't have the documents, and about even why that one application got stuck there for, what was it, 8 years.
Yes, they're waiting for you. They're waiting for you. Go to send it to them many times.
Look, we see now. Yeah, let me see the cover, the old one. Wow, good. You're there street again, my friend. This is your look. Oh my God, that does not look like you anymore. Anyway, thanks for watching this TED Talk. I am Gail of 876 Documents, coming to you live from Jamaica.